Guys, this is called a squishy duck.
It's
a
Duckeez.
it's a tie-dye squishy duck. So I gotta take the tape off of here. So let's go get it out. Oh my gosh. Duckeez! Okay, I gotta squeeze it. They try. Oh, that. Okay, here it will. Oh, I love it. Where am I gonna put this? All my. Should we get a bigger bin for my fidgets, Mom? Perfect amount of shaving cream. There's like no air to get rid of. I give this 10. This is perfect. Okay, 10 out of 10. Oh, the ice cream! Okay, let's try the cube, which is like perfect. So it's the same kind of thing in here. It's just like gummy. So that's good. Good thing we got this because in Target, when I saw online, it's like $28. Oh, it feels so good. It's like sticky. Okay, let's try it. Oh my, that's so good, guys. Okay, try to hear the ASMR. Oh my god, that's so good. Oh, I love this one. The duck's my favorite though. So this is $7.99 for this. This is a good offer.
$7.99.
And this is like jumbo, so it's extra good. So the mini one was $6.99. This was $7.99. It's just one, so this is better to get. It's just, it's so hard, just like a needle. And look, heavy. Because there's like a glue in here. Try to squeeze it. It's hard.
Oh my goodness.
Okay, squeeze here. You're gonna squeeze. You're gonna squeeze and you're gonna make it pop. I'm very scared. Oh my god. This is the best ASMR like.
Well, I just want to go on the side.
Oh, it's so dirty now.
Well, we can wash it. It's washable. Squishies are very washable.
Okay, next.
Oh, and guys, when you're washing squishies, put it on a little warm, not hot, boiling hot. So we're going to make it like. Okay, so the next one we should do is I might open this one and give this one to Glenn. Okay? Can I open it now? I don't know how to open it.
Why do we have a duplicate of pink?
Because I'm giving one to Glenn. Okay, this is impossible to open without scissors. We have a problem. Okay, we got out the duck.
A duck?
Okay, let's see it. Oh my goodness. It's so good. 10 out of 10 as well. And it's so pretty, right, Mom?
It's stretchy. Oh, that's cool.
I like the sparkles in it, right, Mom? I love its little leggies. Leggies. So pretty. And then this one is for blue. This is so good. Mom, after I'm done unboxing these, can I play in the park actually as well?
No, we have to go.
Oh, maybe I can
Your
go
ice cream will
somewhere.
melt.
One.
Okay, you can unbox the blue one.
I really want
Come on.
Oh. Where could you open this?
They're like all sugar texture except this one. Because this is shaving cream. This is my favorite one. Oh, that one's so cute. Wait, can I show it to the camera, see it? After you squish it? Camera.
Let me just. I made it. I'm sorry. I just made this a perfect duck. That is the rest. Quack quack.
Hello. What? It's
Blue and pink.
they're so cute. Oh, this one. Look when it shines in the spotlight, Mommy. Look.
Yeah. Oh.
Kind of like Sonic and Amy.
Hello. They're so good. Oh, I love these. Okay, I'm just gonna switch it around and let's see what I'm gonna put. This one. It's the green one. It's like a mint. So let's go and open it. I got it. Can I just open it from here and get the duck out? Oh, the green one's so cute. Look, Mommy.
Is there a blue one? Oh, that's it, right? Oh, there's more yellow.
There's the yellow and then we're done.
Sian, open the yellow.
God, that looks like the most original.
Oh, love the yellow one.
That's so cute. Oh, that was a perfect squish. Okay, I'm gonna add all of them together and see how it looks.
Show it in the light.
Okay,
Oh, that's
in the lights.
Oh, God.
I could see the whole entire app.
Look, guys, all together. It's just like the cube. Perfect. Thank you, Mommy.
Now that is intense. Watching.
I love these. So this duck is like shaving cream, and then these are all sugar, and then this is just an ice cream. A blue one. It's so cool.
Can you do it too, Sian?
I really like it.
If you add it into one spot. And there's a lot there in here.
That's all the squishies.
These sugar ducks
An ice cube.
and a shaving cream duck. Hope you like our unboxing video of our squishy haul.
Thanks for watching.
Please like and subscribe.
And please click the bell and check your notifications and comment below.
Bye.
And remember to see the previous videos.
Of me and Sian showing our fidgets and opening dumplings.
I really like those, Rian.
I like them as well.
Here. You can hold.
Thank you.
Hey, Rian, look. He saw something up in the sky.
I know you're trying to leave.
My number has a 9.
Okay? Let's go.
Can I just hold the duck?
Yeah.
I like holding the duck. The duck's one of my favorite ones. There. I'm just gonna say bye to Chloe, okay?
Okay.